Alright, so here we are at 62 Fenton Street, and this is where I grew up in, would have been 1983 or 4, and we left in 1987. But this is the beginning of our trip down the Forgotten World Highway. When we first moved here, we actually lived down this way somewhere. Started in the house down there and then moved to this house. It got built for us. Here's the bikes. And yeah, this is where we begin the trip. Right, so we've just filled up at Stratford Z, and we're about to begin the 2.5 hours trip through the Forgotten World Highway to Taumarunui. Yes, and stopping at, they have a look at all the sites. Jesus, that is one stringy perky nana. Fine, don't wave then.
He did, didn't he?
I don't know, did he?
I think so.
So, probably about 5 to 10 k's away from Whangamomona. We just pulled over because my GoPro was about to fall out of my pocket because I forgot the mount for the bike. So we had to make do. But look at the view. Beautiful view out here today. Road's a little bit sketchy in parts. It's yeah, trying not to push it too much. And he's riding perfectly, despite what he thinks. Here we are at the Whangamomona Hotel. We just stopped, had a drink, and about to carry on to Taumarunui. It's currently 4:30, and we've got an hour and a half. So we're going to be rolling into Taumarunui about 6 in the dark. So yeah, it should be fun. This hotel's over, oh there you go, 1902 it was established, so do the maths on that. 122 years old. And Whangamomona is in the middle of nowhere, between Stratford and Taumarunui.
Go this one, and then object erase.
Ah.
So that one?
Yeah. Just like that, eh?
Go on.
Right, here we are at Tahora Scenic Reserve, and we're about to go through the tunnel. I'm not going to video that with the drone, I'm scared I'll lose it, but I'll put the GoPro on and we'll go through that one.